So the FTC, or otherwise known as the Federal Trade Commission, has just proclaimed that over $80 million worth of crypto has been stolen by hackers and impersonators of different people online. And this is just the crypto that's been reported as stolen, and not all of the crypto that has been stolen by hackers or impersonators. In fact, over $2 million worth of crypto has been stolen just by Elon Musk impersonators on his Twitter. People that are just going on Twitter, changing their name, profile, and adding some tweets to look like an Elon Musk account. And then they post things like, I can double your money, or I'm doing a giveaway and giving out free Bitcoin if you send Bitcoin to this address, etc., etc. But it's going on for far too long, and the Bigfoot is coming down. And even though there hasn't been an official announcement, China is stepping in on their turf and slowing down the progression of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a whole. And I think the United States is next. Now, if you're not keeping up with it all, let me tell you this, crypto fraud has surged since October, and since then, over 7,000 people have reported bogus investments that they made due to impersonators and scams. And I've personally seen these scams happening in the YouTube comments on crypto or investment pages. In addition, I've seen them on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Reddit, absolutely anywhere on the internet. There is someone trying to steal either your private keys or to get you to send them your Bitcoin. And even though I'm a smaller channel, I've even seen them in my own YouTube comment section whenever I make a video about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin or anything of that sort. And crypto scammers aren't just impersonating Elon Musk to commit fraud on unsuspecting victims. They also often impersonate businesses, other creators, or even government officials. Investors that are new to the space have also been lured to websites that seem like a cryptocurrency investment or even a mining operation. They typically offer different tiers of investment, so if you put in more, you'll get more. In fact, some of these also offer referral bonuses, and they'll start to pay you out, some of your money, and then you get a few friends in, and then they'll pay them out. But once they pile people into the lower tiers, and there's a bunch of people that they have to pay out, they'll just completely take all their profits, and the website will be gone forever. Many victims have even fallen for romantic scams, where they meet someone online, and then this person they talk to for maybe a few weeks, maybe a few months, and eventually this person that they thought that they were in love with, and maybe even start to get into a romantic relationship with that person, and they bring up a new cryptocurrency that's super, super hot and an investment opportunity that they shouldn't miss out on. And this, in my opinion, is the reason why I think that regulating cryptocurrencies to some extent is a really good thing. And for those of you who don't remember, back in 2017, 2018, and even in 2019, cryptocurrencies had started to get so much baggage on them that even websites like Facebook or Instagram or Google started to ban ads on cryptocurrencies because so many scams were happening. And if history doesn't repeat itself, well, most certainly rhymes. But at the end of the day, regulation might not be the answer to it all. It all starts with education. And that is why you should like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hopefully you gained some insight on the cryptocurrency scams that you should avoid. Obviously, you should avoid them all, but sometimes it's hard to depict which one is a scam and which one is real. And so if you have a cryptocurrency that is on your mind and you want to put it down in the comment section below and you're not sure about this, put it down there, because I like to research cryptocurrencies anyway. So might as well put it in the comment section. I might even make a video about it. If not, I'll at least see it and respond to you. And last but not least, I want to thank you all so much for watching. And if you want to check out any of the cool links down in the description below, feel free. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.